Now, this is what most of you don't know. What most of you don't know is that this is called a concrete mixer. It mixes cement, gravel, and sand to make a perfect mix. It mixes it very, very well. Now, apart from this, we have something like concrete vibrator. It vibrates the concrete to make sure it removes trapped air, makes the mix denser, ensures flow around the river, and creates stronger and more durable structures. So what do you understand in this video? Let me see you in the comment section. Try and follow, subscribe and follow. It won't cost you an MB. Just support a brother by subscribing and following.